Carla Cruz, taking up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration in Mount Carmel College, hardworking and willing to extend extra time to finish work, innovative and always willing to accept other duties and responsibilities for the welfare of the company. One of the reasons hire me because I can take hold challenging projects and bring them out successfully without delays. Thank you very much and I hope to see you soon in person.